Mickey Truth Girl. Who qualifies her to put a work on these people?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. As always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So let's get it. Good morning, Truth Team. So this morning we're going to do an update on the FBG Duck murder case, okay? And a lot of times it's referred to as the Oblock Rico. So in this particular video, we're going to focus in on the recent ruling made by the judge in the case, and that's in regards to the last words of FBG Duck. The judge ruled on Monday that jurors will see the body cam video that will show FBG Duck's last moments. Now, if you recall, this murder took place in broad daylight. So according to the documents that we went over a couple months back, the last words that the jurors are going to hear on the video is, "I'm hit everywhere." Ruling is going to allow prosecutors to show the jury the body-worn camera footage that shows FBG Duck's dying declaration, okay? In the footage, according to the judge ruling, it was collected by one of the first Chicago police officers to respond to the shooting scene. Prosecutors said that the video depicts the CPD officer telling FBG Duck, whose real name is Carlton Weekly, to keep speaking in an effort to keep him conscious. The officer also asked Weekly where he was shot, and he responds, "I'm hit everywhere." Rest in peace to him. I recall seeing that video that was put out of his last moments, and that was a lot to even watch. For those who don't know, what is a dying declaration? A dying declaration is defined as a statement made by a declarant who is unavailable to testify in court, typically because the declarant is dead, who made the statement under the belief of certain or impeding death. The statement must also relate to what the declarant believed to be the cause or circumstances of the declarant's impeding death, okay? So his last words confirm that he was shot multiple times. "I'm hit everywhere," okay? Can be explained as gunshot wounds to multiple parts of his body. And if you don't recall, according to the autopsy, he was shot about 16 times, if I recall correctly. I don't have it in front of me, but he was shot multiple times. A victim doesn't have to say who to make a dying declaration. I know a lot of people think you have to tell who shot you. No, you have to just say that you were shot or allude to it or something, because in that instance, that can be a statement, because now it's not a question that the victim thought he was shot multiple times or whatever, because he said, "I'm hit everywhere." That could definitely play a part in the ruling on this case. Now, the judge does admit that the video is graphic, and I'm not even going to cap. I mean, seeing the video that they put out of his last moment, I can only imagine how the body cam footage is going to be, right? But I agree with the judge. The nature of the crime is graphic, okay? You have someone that was gunned down in the broad daylight in the street by multiple gunmen. So, that jury gonna have to be very tough to watch that for sure. And anybody that's in the courtroom that day, to be honest. I'll say this. One of the attorneys for one of the 6 defendants, Christopher Thomas, actually argued that the video was totally irrelevant because it got nothing to do with the cause or circumstance of death. And like I said, technically it does, because again, it shows that he's aware he was shot multiple times, okay? Now, again, it doesn't say who did it. It doesn't even say how they did it. But by the victim saying he was shot multiple times, you have a video showing multiple gunmen shooting towards the victim. I mean, it all plays into the whole storyline of what happened that they're putting out for the jury to make their decision. So that was kind of a weak defense to say in regards to this. But I mean, at this point, I guess as a defense attorney, you have to just try to get in there and poke at anything. The trial is scheduled to last 2 months. So this is just the start of it, okay? I believe the finish just started coming to be seated. So it's gonna probably run into, if not the end of next month, probably beginning of January. So to be continued. As updates come out that can be verified by me or verified in the documents release, I will have it for you. I do see a lot of people in reference to who actually was the shooter. Mickey Truth has not been able to locate that paperwork yet. I'm on it. Once I do, I will drop a video, okay? So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to pull up on your girl, Mickey Truth. And as always, y'all, support the cause, man. Support the movement. It's free Mickey Truth. Y'all know they got my monetization taken off my videos, but I'm still here daily dropping. So definitely donations are welcome. Hit the cash at Mickey Truth 2022. I'm out. No matter what you go through, do what you got to do and conquer the world.